Hello, this is Akash. I'm going to record this video and this will be my first tutorial of Autodesk AutoCAD. So before I start, I want to tell you something about AutoCAD. What is AutoCAD and why this is named as Autodesk AutoCAD? So read it out. AutoCAD is an industry-based commercial software which is an application for two-dimensional and three-dimensional drawing on computer. Generally we tell 2D drawing, 3D drawing, so D stands for dimensional. AutoCAD is a CAD software which is interface which gives us a platform to draw. Computer-aided design, which is called CAD, and drafting is available since 1982. So this AutoCAD software has started in 1982 as a desktop application and since 2010 as a mobile web. So even though if you go and type in a mobile, AutoCAD softwares are present. So that will be like supporting software. You can able to edit some drawings and even you can able to open it. So that's what. Since 2010 as a mobile web and cloud-based app marketed as AutoCAD 360. It was developed and marketed by Autodesk. So Autodesk is the company name and the software name is AutoCAD. So AutoCAD was first released in December 1982. So this was some basic behind this AutoCAD when it was invented, who invented it. So Autodesk was the company who invented it actually. So now I will close this WordPad and I'm going to open AutoCAD 2014. So if you will open this software, this will be graphic user interface, which we also called as GUI, graphic user interface. So this menu which I am dragging and moving, this is called pop-up menu. Whenever you will open, it will pop up and open. So you have to close this. So this is the graphic user interface. This is the menu bar. This is the place where we will draw. There are some tools with the help of which we draw. And this side also we are having some tools with the help of which we draw. So first I will teach you how to change the display, because this is the most important factor. Suppose if you are working for a long hour, you need to have a black display, because the more lighter you will select as your display, the more stress it will have on your eyes. So what we will do is just right click on this display, go to option, ensure that this display is checked, and after ensuring, go to colors, go to uniform background, select colors. Now I'm selecting black color, and like so many things you can change from this panel. Now after selecting black, I will click on apply and close and press OK. So now I'm having this black display. So now the first thing in AutoCAD is you have to go to setting, click on AutoCAD Classic, close this, close this. Now I don't want this grid, this square shapes, I don't want this right now, so I will switch it off. You can click it on grid to switch it off, else you can press F7. If you will press F7, you will come to know the grid is no longer present. So first in AutoCAD, we define page length. So to define page length, what we will do, we will set the limits. So in this panel, what we will do, we will write limits, 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 enter. So like we are specifying our page, so we will specifying the coordinate x in XY. This will be the x and this will be the y. So in x coordinate we will define 0 and in y we will define 0. So the page starts from here and we will enter. Now we have defined lower left corner. this is lower and this is left corner. What we have specified, we have given 0, 0. Now we have to specify our upper right corner, upper right corner, upper right corner. So generally today I will give my A4 size. What is the A4 size? Is 297, 210. Okay, so but here we have to define in such a way that page will exist. So 297 will be X and 210 will be Y. So I will click my mouse over here, then 297, 210, enter. So now if I will see limits limits, if I will type enter, I will see the lower left corner what I have set is 0, 0, and again pressing enter I can see, and the upper left corner is 297, 210. So we have specified some length and we are going to draw our drawing within this length only, under this length only. We have specified one rectangular thing and we are going to draw under this rectangular sheet only. Now enter. Now to zoom it, Z enter for zoom, A enter, Z enter, A enter. Suppose I have drawn something like I am going to select one circle, okay, and if I will scroll it to make this big, and then I will press Z enter, A enter, so it will refit into the screen. So in one way we can say it is the refit command, Z enter, A enter. So now I have drawn this circle and I don't know what was the unit. So before start drawing we have to specify units also. So in this command line, this is called command line, this line is called command line. In this command line I will press units, 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 enter. What is the unit? I don't know. So default it is inches set, so I will change it to millimeters because in India we use millimeters, and precision 0.000 it was, so we will change it to 0.0 the precision, and then we will press OK. Now whatever we are going to draw, it will be taken as millimeter, mm. So suppose I have again selected this circle. So first circle you have to specify the center point, then you have to specify radius of the circle. What radius I want? I want 10 radius, 10, enter. So this circle is of radius 10. Okay. So I will delete all. Control plus A to select all and then delete. So slowly we will learn each and everything. So till now we have learned to change the display, we have learned to change the limit, to set the limit, to change the units, and here we are. This is called navigation bar. This is called navigation bar, with the help of which we can see top view, front view, right hand side view, left hand side view, and that's all. Even we can tilt it. This is called navigation bar. Suppose if you have to draw something, these are the things. You can select line, you can draw lines like this. Suppose I want to draw one straight line and I'm not able to draw a straight line. Whenever I'm drawing, it is coming like this. So there is a mode. There is a mode which is called ortho mode. If we switch on ortho mode, this is the ortho mode, which is called F8. So if you will press this ortho mode, and now from here if I will click, I am having only straight line. Now Yeah. So to refit it, Z enter A enter. Look, this is a navigation bar with the help of which I am rotating. Now I can easily able to draw a straight line. See, only straight line will come. Escape. So to come out of every command we have to press escape. Suppose I am drawing these lines. And even I want to come out of this command, then what I will do, I will press escape. On your left hand side upper corner in your keyboard you will find escape. Right click and escape. So I am done. Or else if I will select this line, now I am drawing. Now if I am done, I will right click it and I will press enter. So by this process I can come out of this command, give this line. So it means now I am ready to take another thing. Now even if I want, I can take this circle. From this point if I want, I will click it as a center point and I can draw a circle. So this was my first tutorial where I have given a little introduction about this. This full display is called graphic user interface. So this is a platform where we draw actually GUI. We call it as GUI, graphic user interface. So now we are in model space. We draw all these things in model space. This is model. Suppose if we have to print something, then we go into layout, and in this layout we give printouts. Suppose if I want this my model to be printed, I can go into layout and see how my drawing is. And this was limit which we have set before. So the page limit which we have set is this 297 210, and if we are drawing something beyond this, then it will show that this will not get printed. So whatever till now we have drawn, it is coming under this. So this is my first tutorial. Thank you so much.